you might need your crystal ball for some of this as well, actually. But it's an interesting talking point for us. But as AI technologies, including dash cams, as they become more prevalent, what else do organizations need to be thinking about here? Or actually, don't we know yet? Is there a sense of unknown with all of this? But
there is absolutely a sense of unknown, right? If you talk 2 years ago about typing into Chat GPT a question and then it writes you a 3-page answer,
yeah,
that'd be a movie, not real life, right?
yeah.
And even that, 2 years later, here we are, we're talking about agentic AI, which is taking that a step further, and it actually takes actions on its own on your behalf based on what you ask it to get done, right? And so, I think there's definitely an aspect of we just don't know where it's heading, which it makes my previous statement all that much harder to complete, right? How do you know what your use case is going to be if you don't know what your use cases are because the technology is evolving so quickly?